Physiotherapy plays a vital role in healthcare. It focuses on restoring and maintaining mobility and function. Physiotherapists help people of all ages. They treat a wide range of conditions. These conditions can be caused by injury, illness, or disability. Physiotherapy uses various techniques. These include exercise, manual therapy, and education. It aims to improve quality of life. It also reduces pain and promotes independence. Physiotherapy is a collaborative field. It works closely with other healthcare professionals. This ensures comprehensive patient care. Physiotherapy is essential for preventive care. It helps individuals maintain their physical well-being. It achieves this through exercise programs and ergonomic advice. The demand for physiotherapy is increasing. This is due to factors like aging populations and rising chronic disease rates. As a result, there is a growing need for qualified physiotherapists. These professionals play a crucial role in meeting the healthcare needs of communities worldwide. Physiotherapy is a rewarding career path. It offers the chance to make a real difference in people's lives. By helping individuals regain their physical abilities, physiotherapists empower them to live fuller, more active lives. Per Henrik Ling is considered the father of physiotherapy. He was born in Sweden in 1776. Ling's early life was marked by financial hardship. He worked as a teacher and fencing master. These experiences sparked his interest in the human body and movement. Ling's interest in physical education grew. He believed that physical exercise could promote health and well-being. In 1813, he founded the Royal Central Institute of Gymnastics in Stockholm. This institution became a pioneering center for the development of physiotherapy. Ling's work was revolutionary for its time. He emphasized the importance of a holistic approach to health. He believed that physical, mental, and emotional well-being were interconnected. Ling's dedication to his work earned him recognition. He became a respected figure in the field of physical education. His teachings laid the foundation for the development of modern physiotherapy. His legacy continues to inspire practitioners worldwide. Per Henrik Ling developed the Swedish Gymnastics System. This system is a comprehensive approach to physical education. It emphasizes precise movements and body awareness. The system comprises four main components: pedagogical, medical, military, and aesthetic gymnastics. Pedagogical gymnastics focuses on developing coordination and posture in children. Medical gymnastics uses specific movements to treat injuries and illnesses. Military gymnastics trains soldiers for strength and agility. Aesthetic gymnastics utilizes graceful movements for artistic expression. The Swedish Gymnastics System emphasizes proper breathing techniques. It also stresses the importance of aligning the spine. These principles remain fundamental in modern physiotherapy practices. The benefits of the Swedish Gymnastics System extend beyond physical health. It improves mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall well-being. Ling's system emphasizes a holistic approach to health. It recognizes the interconnectedness of the mind and body. The Swedish Gymnastics System continues to influence physiotherapy today. Its principles are integrated into various treatment approaches. Ling's emphasis on individualized exercise programs remains a cornerstone of modern physiotherapy practice. Per Henrik Ling significantly influenced massage therapy. He recognized the therapeutic benefits of touch and manipulation. Ling developed techniques that combined his knowledge of anatomy and physiology with massage principles. Ling's massage techniques, often referred to as Swedish massage, focus on improving circulation, relieving muscle tension, and promoting relaxation. These techniques involve a combination of strokes, kneading, and friction applied to the soft tissues of the body. Swedish massage is characterized by its long, flowing strokes and gentle pressure. It aims to restore balance to the body's energy systems. Ling's influence on massage therapy extends beyond specific techniques. He emphasized the importance of a holistic approach to treatment. He believed that massage should be integrated with other therapies to address the individual's needs. Ling's legacy in massage therapy is evident in its widespread popularity. Swedish massage remains one of the most widely practiced massage modalities worldwide. Its principles continue to be taught and practiced in massage schools and clinics globally. Section 5. Medical Gymnastics and Rehabilitation. Per Henrik Ling's contributions to physiotherapy extended to medical gymnastics. This specialized form of exercise focuses on rehabilitation and pain management. Ling recognized the potential of movement to restore function and improve quality of life for individuals with injuries or illnesses. Medical gymnastics involves a tailored program of exercises designed to address specific needs. These exercises focus on improving range of motion, strength, flexibility, and coordination. They may involve active movements performed by the individual or passive movements guided by a therapist. Ling's innovative approach to rehabilitation emphasized the importance of early intervention and gradual progression. He believed that by gradually increasing the intensity and complexity of exercises, individuals could regain function and independence. Medical gymnastics played a crucial role in the development of modern physiotherapy. It established the foundation for evidence-based rehabilitation programs used today. Ling's emphasis on individualized care and functional restoration continues to guide physiotherapists in their practice. Section 6: Ling's global impact on physiotherapy. Per Henrik Ling's teachings had a profound impact on the development of physiotherapy worldwide. His innovative ideas spread beyond Sweden, influencing the practice of physical therapy in Europe, North America, and beyond. Ling's students and disciples played a crucial role in disseminating his methods. They established schools and training programs, spreading the principles of Swedish gymnastics and massage therapy far and wide. Ling's work inspired the development of professional organizations dedicated to advancing the field of physiotherapy. These organizations played a crucial role in establishing standards of practice, promoting research, and advocating for the profession. The global impact of Ling's work is evident in the widespread adoption of his techniques and principles. Physiotherapists worldwide continue to draw inspiration from his holistic approach to health and his emphasis on the interconnectedness of the mind and body. Section 7: The enduring legacy of Per Henrik Ling. Per Henrik Ling's legacy as the father of physiotherapy endures today. His innovative ideas and unwavering dedication to improving human health through movement continue to shape the field. Ling's emphasis on the interconnectedness of the mind, body, and spirit remains a cornerstone of holistic physiotherapy practice. His pioneering work in massage therapy continues to be taught and practiced worldwide. Ling's legacy extends beyond specific techniques and methodologies. His belief in the power of movement to heal and transform lives continues to inspire physiotherapists and their patients alike. His emphasis on individualized care, patient education, and the importance of a therapeutic relationship remain essential principles in contemporary physiotherapy practice. Section 8: Ling's influence on modern patient care. Per Henrik Ling's influence on modern patient care extends beyond the specific techniques he developed. His holistic approach, emphasizing the interconnectedness of physical, mental, and emotional well-being, has paved the way for a more comprehensive and patient-centered approach to healthcare. Ling's belief in the body's innate healing capacity has encouraged a shift towards empowering patients to take an active role in their recovery. This focus on patient education and self-management is now an integral part of physiotherapy practice. Moreover, Ling's emphasis on the importance of a strong therapeutic relationship between practitioner and patient continues to shape the way physiotherapists interact with and care for their patients. Building trust, understanding individual needs, and providing compassionate care are all hallmarks of Ling's legacy in contemporary physiotherapy. Ling's vision of physiotherapy as a means to not just treat symptoms, but to promote overall health and well-being has resonated throughout the years. His legacy continues to inspire physiotherapists to strive for excellence in patient care, advocating for their patients' needs and promoting a holistic approach to health. Section 9: Conclusion: A legacy of movement and healing. Per Henrik Ling's enduring legacy lies in his transformative impact on the field of physiotherapy. His pioneering work in Swedish gymnastics, massage therapy, and medical gymnastics laid the foundation for modern physiotherapy practices worldwide. His holistic approach, recognizing the interconnectedness of the mind, body, and spirit, continues to inspire practitioners to this day. Ling's emphasis on individualized care, patient education, and the therapeutic relationship remains central to contemporary physiotherapy. As we move forward, it is essential to remember and honor the legacy of Per Henrik Ling. His unwavering belief in the power of movement to heal and transform lives serves as a timeless reminder of the importance of physiotherapy in promoting health, well-being, and a better quality of life for all.